In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to exit a board on Trello step by step. Whether you've been added to a board you no longer need access to, you're cleaning up your workspace, or you simply want to reduce clutter in your dashboard, leaving a Trello board is quick and easy once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it confidently in less than a minute. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Trello home area, where you can see your recent boards, start boards, and workspaces. From here, go to your Boards page. You can do this by clicking on your profile or navigating directly to the Boards section, where all the boards you're a member of are displayed. This page shows every board you currently have access to across all workspaces. Next, find the specific board you want to exit. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you're part of multiple boards with similar names. Once you've located it, click on the board to open it. Now that you're inside the board, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a 3 dots menu, which is the Board Menu Options button. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens a drop-down menu with several board management options. Inside this menu, scroll through the list until you find the option that says Leave Board. Click on Leave Board. As soon as you click it, Trello will display a confirmation pop-up. This is just to make sure you really want to leave the board. Keep in mind that once you leave, you'll lose access to the board and all of its cards, lists, and files unless someone adds you back later. If you're sure you want to proceed, click the Leave Board button in the pop-up to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully exited the Trello board. The board will immediately disappear from your boards list, and you'll no longer receive notifications or updates from it. Just a quick tip, if you're the only admin on a board, Trello may require you to assign another admin before leaving, so make sure the board still has at least one admin if it's a shared workspace board. Leaving boards you no longer use is a great way to keep your Trello workspace organized and distraction-free. It helps you focus only on the projects that actually matter to you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.